Okay. Now we're ready.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep him still. We can play this whole round on the cat. Easy, easy, easy.
Come on, you have to do this with some class, Karen.
Oh, you got my singleton ace. You can. Fine. I'll help you.
One of these.
Okay, lead.
Oh yeah.
I got that one.
Everything good? How's the cat cam?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Careful, we moved it.
What is the suit even?
Clubs.
Clubs, and he just put the ace on it.
Well, I'll put the jack of diamonds on.
Right.
Fucker.
And here's the best part, so I'll now lead that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you trumpet with?
Diamonds, king of diamonds.
The king, thank you.
Bear, bear.
We've got to play the whole hand on you, bear.
Well, we got a few cards. I'm doing it as quickly as we can.
Oh,
Again.
Put it back.
Whatever.
It's just
Who
leave.
trumped it?
Andrew,
Your card.
keep
It was in
trumping.
my hand.
Your lead, Andrew. Andrew, I've set up a really good cross rough here. What do you trumpet with? Oh, you were able to. Yeah, enough trump. It's okay.
And we
I did my
finished it
best.
on a bear.
Thanks, bear.
Wait, let's do a full thing just so you can see that this is indeed a real cat that we were playing cards on. Yep, it's a real cat.
All we need to do is take that. Because we had enough meld. What, do you get like 10 points out of it or something?